Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I came across one question which is multi-body sheet metal part separating. I'm making a multi-body sheet metal part. Now I need to laser cut the parts. I plan to have each sheet metal body be laid out on one surface so that I know the total area of the sheet metal in order to order stock. Is there a way to separate or convert each sheet metal body into one individual file? Based on this question, I am going to explain how to split a sheet metal component into multi-bodies. So by using plane, so here I am supposed to keep a surface and sketches and faces. So let's start now. So I've taken simple component, select this plane. So I'm splitting this sheet metal component with plane. Select the plane. So we have to go to feature and split. So cut all bodies. Select this, and here consume all bodies. If I keep it as it is, it will consume all the body. That means it disappears. So we have to uncheck it. See, now we have two split bodies. See here, this is one and this is other one. So this is by using plane. Now let's see with the surface. Select the surface, go to split, cut bodies, and we have to select these two. Uncheck consume cut bodies. Now we have two split bodies along this surface. Now using face, so select this face, cut bodies, and uncheck consume bodies. So you can see two bodies over there, split bodies. So next one more method is using sketch. So we can create sketch anywhere on this face, either in this face or here. So I'm selecting the sketch and creating split body. Uncheck consume cut bodies. See here. So the sheet metal is divided along this line. So these are the four methods using plane, surface, face and sketches. Now I am going to show you how to create drawing for this using one more example. Here I am going to create one line. We can use plane, surface or line. So I am using line. So insert, features and split. See, we can see here two split bodies. Now we can make a flat pattern for each component. See, here we can see two flat patterns. So if I go here, in flat pattern configuration, I have to so before that I need to hide one of the component, one of the split body. So here I am going to hide bottom component. So in this configuration, I have to hide bottom and unsuppress flat pattern. So let's see this in drawing. We have to go to properties and here we have to select default. So this is in bend condition. Now once again I have to keep this component and this is a flat pattern. For top component. So next let's to go to the so here I am going to hide this and then flat pattern I'm going to hide this and unsuppress flat pattern. Now let's go to the drawing. So better visibility, let's keep it in 1:1. Say here we need to right click and go to properties. Here we need to select flat pattern. So it's not taking flat pattern. So we have to go here and once again unsuppress. So as per this question, we can convert into DXF file. So we can separate these parts and we can convert into DXF file. We can go to save as option and we can use DXF. So there is another video on this converting into DXF. So you can watch that video. So you can convert into DXF. So one more question is there a way to separate or convert each sheet body into one individual file? So I am not showing dimension over here. I am showing how to create split bodies. So here, if I want to convert this as an independent component, let me come out of this flat pattern. So right click on this component, I mean split body. So insert to new part. So say OK. This part has been converted into new part file. So I can use demo split one. Now I can convert into a sheet metal component. So now it is converted into sheet metal. And we can create drawing from this. So this is the way we can convert individual components. So this is a brief about how to split sheet metal component with plane, surface, sketch, face, and convert into multi-bodies and save it into individual part files and creating drawing from that. Thank you very much.